Alright, SP Legendary Cuts 2007, Box 2. Hopefully I can open this box. Alright. Starting the left side again. Still didn't read how many cards are in the base set. There's probably less than 200, maybe 100 cards, 150. Nice set to base. Let's see what the short prints are. Had this Robin Yount in the last box, but it was bent. Now I gotta get one. Throw the other one away. Clemente, not bad at all. Got Bob Feller numbered card. My last box had an autograph of Bob Feller. Numbered out of 550. Pretty nice card. Drysdale, Garrick. Bob Gibson, Honus Wagner, Money Irvin. Some stud players in here. Be nice if I got their game used. The idea. I'll take a Honus Wagner. Clemente autograph. Pretty good. Stardew. Another one of these. You can see how valuable these are. This is basically better than your game used. Worth thousands of dollars right here. Cy Young, be nice to get a cut of him. Okay, Lou Brock. Another Cardinal. More Cardinals game used. Lou Brock. It's a refractor. That's cool. You really see it on this card. It's not numbered though, but piece of a bat. When it was a game. Pretty nice. Ripken Jr. I have a couple of jerseys and autographs of Jr. William Covey. Another Molitor. It's popular. Apparently it's not a short print. If it was, I'd be trading some. 2 packs to go. Thick one probably with a fake card in it. Or my cut. Doubtful. Such a page, Necro. That is cut. But that's Eckersley. Great picture. Number to 199. What do you think? Very nice. Dennis Eckersley. Vernon, Pee Wee Reese. This pack feels like it has about 1 card in it. It's really thin. It's odd. James A. Garfield. Number to 550. And that Robert E. Lee in the last pack. George Kell, and Gabe Harden. That's it. It's 2 boxes.